Today, we are learning more about business credit cards and their benefits. I really enjoy putting these videos together concerning business credit card benefits, and I hope you have too. So, if you want to learn more about business credit cards, well, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead, tap in, let's get into it. We all love enjoying benefits. However, it is difficult to enjoy those benefits if you don't know what is available to you. Some people don't even know that they actually are a business. Some people don't even know that they can apply for business credit cards. And business credit cards can be used to level up your business and your personal life. So today we want to talk about some more of these benefits so that you can determine whether or not you want to get into business credit cards or if you just want to leave them to the side. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and look at benefit number one. This benefit is an important one, in my personal opinion, and that is it separates my business cash from being exposed to fraudulent activity. I talk about this a lot when it comes to the personal credit cards when you use them, but it works the same for your business cash as well. I heavily use personal credit cards so that my personal cash is not subject to fraudulent and vulnerable to hacking activity. And so the same thing is going to go for businesses. If you utilize business credit cards, it won't subject your business cash to fraudulent activity and give it the opportunity to get hacked. And this is one of the things that are, I believe, are extremely important because if your business cash is not subject to being hacked or exposed to somebody possibly stealing it by using a debit card and things like that, your business can continue to go on without any problems. Because in the event that somebody tries to hack a business credit card, I'm going to repeat, like I said in previous videos, it is much easier to deal with the fraudulent charges on a credit card than to deal with somebody stealing money out of your account. It is a whole investigation process. It can take forever. And if it takes longer and longer and longer to complete the investigation, that can impact your business and it can affect your operating expenses to function in your business. And this is why I think having a business credit card is absolutely important and using it as much as possible because as long as your business cash isn't exposed to fraudulent activity, giving it the opportunity for somebody to come in and steal it through hacking and any other thing like that, then your business can continue to flow and your business can continue to run in the event that someone tries to do that in your business. And so this benefit of using business credit cards I think is extremely important. And I also think it's important in your personal life because it doesn't expose your cash to fraudulent activity. Listen, if you've ever been hacked, you know that's not a fun experience. So I hope you can understand why I think using business credit cards to alleviate that fraudulent activity is an actually good benefit. If you think the same or if you got any thoughts concerning that first benefit, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I like to know what you think about that first benefit that we just talked about. All right. And while you're down in the comment section, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and start sharing. Go ahead and subscribe or follow. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. We appreciate you guys' engagement in advance. Now, let me go ahead and give you another benefit of using business credit cards. This next benefit that I want to talk to you about is that business credit cards helps you build rewards. And that's pretty much self-explanatory. I've talked about before how business credit cards can help you build these types of rewards that you can use however you decide to use them. I also understand that as a business owner, it can be taxing at times. So it's good to know that by using business credit cards, it can help benefit you as a business owner, and it can also help you benefit as a business as a whole. So let me just quickly explain. If you have a business credit card that gives you cash back rewards, that cash back that you receive by spending that money on the credit card can now be saved in your business, and you don't have to pay that out of your business. Now you can use those funds for something else. You can use that in your business to expand. You can use that in your business to get insurance. You can use that in your business to set up a retirement plan for employees or even yourself. So those one of the ways that you can utilize a cashback business credit card. If the business credit card that you have utilizes points, typically if you have a personal credit card also, those points pool together and you can then utilize those points for personal use. So think about it like this. If you're spending all of this money in your business and you're racking up points, now you can set aside somewhat of a little bit of an incentive package as the business owner to utilize those points for however you can utilize those points for, whether that's cash back, whether that's trips, whether that's car rentals, hotels, whatever the case may be, cruises, whatever the case may be. And so that's why I'm saying if you're building up these rewards by using business credit cards, it will help your business as well as benefit you as the business owner. Okay. So, this benefit of building up rewards and utilizing them for business or personal use is an excellent benefit for having business credit cards. Those are some pretty good benefits to using business credit cards, don't you think? I'd like to know your thoughts down in the comment section. Do you think it's worth it? Do you even think it's even important for you to even be considering that? It doesn't matter what the conversation is. I just like to know your comments down there. Let's start a conversation about all of this so that we can begin to look at business credit cards and see what you guys think. All right. We appreciate you guys doing that. Also, if you've gotten to the point where you're interested in getting business credit cards, there's some great links in our comments. There's some great links in our description that you can go and click to go ahead and apply for some business credit cards so that you can begin to take advantage of everything that we've talked about in these videos. All right. So go ahead and check out the links and go ahead and start applying if you're interested in getting business credit cards. All right. Thank y'all so much for checking out this video. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us till the end. Thank y'all so much for the engagement as always. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.